Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to make a um, personal seller account on Amazon. So you don't select start selling, these two buttons, because that will take you to the $40 a month plan. And once you enter your email and click submit on that first page, you're stuck. Like, your email is now associated with the professional account, even if you like don't give a credit card. Like, you can't get out of it. I've tried. I've deleted my cookies. I still haven't found a way. So you have to create a new email if you went ahead and did that. Fortunately, we have great email services like Yahoo and Gmail that lets you create unlimited amount of emails. But so I just went ahead and used my new store name, and instead of these buttons, I'm going down. Let's see, where am I going? Just have a few items to sell. Sign up to become an individual seller. Right here. This fine print right here. Do not click on these buttons. Click this line right here. Sometimes it even has the two plans listed and like what you get and what you don't get. You want to click on the individual one if you get that option. So they changed the bottom of this up too, which is really strange. So that's my old email address. It doesn't work. Create a new Amazon account. Your name. Password. Get a verification. There we go. Legal name, Just Corsac. I've read. Accept the terms and conditions. And then you enter all your information, and yeah, so it shouldn't ask you for or require you to give a credit card now. Well, let's see if it does, because I haven't done this yet. I'm gonna bleep a lot of this out so you don't see it. Choose your unique business name. And then it's going to send you a PIN after you provide your phone number. Also, I want to let you guys know that if you available, I gotta take out the space then. See, your credit card information, a 1 cent account verification charge will be applied to your credit card upon completion of the setup. So it's not going to charge you the $40 that it was going to. Now it's just a penny, which I'm fine with. So we fix the problem by clicking on the small link. It sucks you can't change it during sign up, but that's how they suck you in, I guess. It's kind of ingenious, but it's also an asshole move by Amazon, honest, but it is what it is. And yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I don't want you guys to see my credit card number or my tax information. So that's how you make a individual seller account on Amazon in 2019. Thanks for watching.